Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Rohit Ghosh and today we're gonna make one of my all-time favorite dishes and one of the simplest dishes you can ever make, spaghetti aglio e olio. So let's make this recipe, shall we? Okay, so for this dish we need just 7 ingredients. A lot of olive oil, some black pepper, a lot of garlic cloves, some parsley, a juice of 1 lemon, some chili flakes, and of course a spaghetti. Okay, so firstly in a pan we're gonna add some water. I added about a liter of water for 100 grams of pasta. And then after that we're gonna season the water with some salt. I added about 8 to 12 grams of salt. Remember, the water should be ocean salty, so add accordingly. And please don't add olive oil in your water because the sauce won't coat well with the pasta. So once we have kept the water for boiling, we're gonna chop some garlic cloves. I chopped around 8 to 12 garlic cloves. You're gonna thinly slice the garlic cloves. Once our garlic is thinly sliced, we're going to chop some parsley. So I'm finely chopping up some parsley. Until then the water must be boiling, so we're going to add our pasta to the water. So as the pasta is cooking, we're going to make our sauce. So for the sauce, in a cold pan, we're going to add some olive oil. I added about more than half of a cup of olive oil, and then we are going to add our garlic. Remember, the pan shouldn't be hot because we need to infuse the flavors of the garlic. Once we have added our garlic in the pan, we're going to saute it for a bit. Okay, so once the garlic looks like this, it's just lightly brown, we are going to add our chopped chilies and some chili flakes. You can add according to how much spice you like. Then we are going to saute it for a bit. Until now our pasta must be done and it should look just like this. So the pasta should be al dente. That means it should have a bite to it. So we're going to drain the pasta and we're going to put it in the sauce. So now we're going to mix our pasta really well with the garlic and the chili and the oil. It should be really well coated with everything. So once we have done that, we're going to squeeze some lemon. I added about half of a lemon juice in our pasta. We're going to mix it really well again and we're going to season it. So I added a little bit of salt, a little bit of pepper. I don't know why I took so much time in that, but that's fine. So we're gonna add some pepper and then we're gonna mix it. Okay, so once we have mixed it properly, we're gonna add our parsley to it and then mix it, and at last we're gonna mix it really well. Remember not to break the pasta. We need to have those long strands of pasta and mix it really well, and that's pretty much it. And just plate it. I just plated it like a little nest, and you can do the same. And this is the perfect example of a dish which is greater than the sum of its parts because it's so simple to make and it just takes like 15 to 20 minutes if you have all the ingredients. So do try this recipe out and leave your comments below. And I'm gonna meet you in the next video. Till then, you know what to do with the subscribe button, right?